Adawone Chala Mugapteni Ne Weme Kasenge Pile Globo Watwa Ne Watena Chala Sipesi Manaba Fauna Keteka Wakadili Suma Matano Lebotano 55 years Lilepo Shori Kacheni Leba Motela Yagamteta Sipesiche Molika Waka Pele Adwana Sipesiche
Tetwa for a few years, having had a good showing in the Kosafa Cup, and following that he now a bit of time and space in the middle of the
quick passing. Lovely quick passing indeed inside the box from the Sundowns. And then with Debo, just the ball was too strong for Rangers to be able to connect with it. You can see it with a good skill here. Allende playing that beautiful pass. Rangers was still on side. It was too far for him to be able to make that connect.
Before that, they'd won just 2 of 26 away games. So here's Reyners now. Reyners, oh, that's just crept in. Brilliantly done. He spotted a bit of a gap at the near post and snuck it away for his